Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Summer Scoop, your go-to destination for all the latest news and gossip from around the world of showbiz. I'm your host, Name, and today we're diving into a very sad story about the late Liam Payne. Liam Payne, one half of the iconic boy band One Direction, tragically passed away at just 31 years old after falling from a third-floor balcony in Buenos Aires, Argentina. The news sent shockwaves around the globe, leaving his fans and friends in mourning. But what's even more shocking is that Liam didn't leave behind a will, which meant his vast fortune was left up for grabs. We're talking a staggering £24.3 million, which was left to his 8-year-old son Bear with his ex-partner Cheryl Tweedy. Now, as you might expect, the news of Liam's death sparked all sorts of speculation and drama, especially when it comes to who would be entitled to his wealth. But in this case, UK law dictates that a person's spouse is the first to claim any money following their death, which doesn't apply in Liam's situation since he and Cheryl never got married. So, what happens next? Well, according to court documents filed on May 1st, music lawyer Richard Bray was also named as an administrator. And of course, that means that the money will be divided among Liam's loved ones. But here's where things get interesting, because Bear is now the lucky beneficiary of Liam's fortune. Cheryl has been granted the power of administrator over Liam's estate, which means she'll be responsible for managing and distributing his wealth until Bear comes of age. And, as you might expect, Cheryl is taking her new role very seriously. Friends close to Liam say that he always wanted to do the right thing by his son financially, and now Cheryl is carrying on that legacy. But what's really interesting here is how Cheryl plans to preserve Liam's fortune for Bear. According to sources, she's putting it into a trust for their young son, which will ensure that he never wants for anything. It's a small consolation, perhaps, but one that will undoubtedly bring some comfort to both Cheryl and Bear in the coming years. And it's worth noting that this isn't just about Liam's wealth, it's also about his legacy as a father. As one friend of Liam's told the Mail online, Liam had some very sensible people around him for a time, and he adored Bear so much. He always wanted to do the right thing by him financially. Well, there you have it, a glimpse into the tragic story of Liam Payne's life and death, and how his legacy will live on through his beloved son Bear. Join us next time on Summer Scoop for more news and gossip from around the world of showbiz.